Kevin Hegan and his firm again. Now, you know I told you about how they was doing with a false information with a Blue Cross and Blue Shield referral. Now, this is how, I don't know why it's going upside down, but this is how a referral form looks from Blue Cross and Blue Shield. That's how it looks. Now, I'm not going to call the person's name. I'm not going to call his name. And I have my reasons at this time not to call his name. But it's going to be a part 2 to this. It's going to be a part 2, trust me. But Blue Cross and Blue Shield is corrupt also. When you violate a person's privacy, that's not good. It's not good at all. I'm working in law enforcement because I want to cover, I'm just doing a scenario. I'm working in law enforcement and I want to earn some brownie points since I just been there in a short period of time. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put myself out there based on the information what one of my other friends told me. Because as far as I'm concerned, my job, since I got a weapon and a badge, I want to earn some brownie points. I want to get favoritism. I want to move up. You know, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to move up. So it don't matter who I destroy while I'm moving up. That's how some people are. That's how this person that I know, that's what they did. And based on what they did, now I told them what their co-worker did. I told them what they did. And at the time, now, when after Ridgeland didn't want to do the incident reports, and since I already knew that this was a criminal charge, I said, well, since they don't want to listen to me, I'll take it to Blue Cross and Blue Shield myself. And that's what I did. Now, I had 5 claims. 2 of them stood out. Both of them was $60. That's for x-ray that they got Blue Choice that they sent through for a claim. But see what happened, and I figured this one out. Two people in Dr. Kevin Knight Higgins' office was doing this thing. It was two of them. And where they made the error at, one most likely didn't know what the other one was doing. One took the process to claim of $60, and Blue Cross paid them the $60. Shortly later, another claim went through for the same amount. Blue Cross denied it. So when I went to take them the claims, everything, oh, they were so glad. They were so glad, y'all, that I went and brought them those claims. And they told me, said they will have their investigation department handle this. And they told me, say, this is a criminal matter. They said they can't tell me what's going to happen because that's confidential. But they said justice will be served. So what I did, I left, and you know, every now and then I'll call and check, see what's going on, and they'll tell me, say, well, you know, Miss Jameson, don't worry about nothing. We got everything, you know, it's in the investigation department, you know, they handling it, and all of this. I said, okay. I said, because see, I didn't want to waste my time bringing y'all this information, and y'all don't do anything about it. So they told me, they said, no, you don't have to worry about that. See, we're going to handle it, but we just can't tell you what we're going to do. I said, okay. Shortly after, I talked to a so-called friend that called itself a Christian. You heard me? I said call a Christian. So I told this person, I gave this person, the information on what their co-workers had did by not wanting to do the incident report. Then this person asked me, well, spell their names? I said, I said, this person is up to something. That's what I said. They're up to something. But what they failed to realize, evidently, they didn't know me well as they thought they knew me. Because if this person knew me well enough, they would have never asked me to spell the names. Because automatically I know that's documentation. You're going to use that for something. So I played right along with this person. But this is what I was thinking. I said to myself, I'm going to set them up. I'm going to see if they're for me or against me. and they fell right on in the trap that I had set for them. That's what they did. And when they did this here, you know, I said, this is not right. This is not right. I spelled the names to them, give this person the information, and two things I specifically told them. It was two claims. One was approved by Blue Cross and Blue Shield, and the other one was denied by Blue Cross and Blue Shield. I told that person this. So around August, because I talked to this person here now, I talked to them around May. Around May. It was May when I talked to them. So in August, when I called to check on the status, whether they still keeping their word about what they're going to do, the rep told me, said they ain't had no idea what I was talking about. I said, excuse me, ma'am? She said, no, Miss Jameson. She said, there are no claims here. She said, I don't know what you're talking about. She said, there are no claims. I said, okay, no claims. She said, no, ma'am, there are no claims. She said, so she put me, she said, well, let me go. I said, let's go double check. I said, maybe it's an error in the system, maybe it's something, but just go double check. And she put me on hold. She came back shortly. She said, I see one claim. She said, and I said, what claim is that? She said, the one that was approved by us. She said, that's the only one that's showing. Right then, I knew exactly what had done happened. I knew what this person did. They used their badge and their authority to go to Blue Cross and Blue Shield, talk with the supervisor there, and get everything erased. I'm having a little difficulties with my cable, my internet here. So just kind of bear with me if it's acting up a little bit. Just kind of bear with me. So I know that's what had happened, but all of that's going to come out also. So I'm not worried about that either. And based on that, when I went to them to get the information that they promised me they was going to help me with, which was Miss Michelle Hilmar Riviera, they promised to give me the information concerning these claims and stuff. But when they found out that, when the supervisor found out that they was helping me, they refused to send either one of them back to assist me, or anyone to assist me concerning Kevin Nahegan. Now, what has happened here? Blue Cross my friend can and use his authority to get information to cover their co-workers. Because see, I already told them I'm waiting on Blue Cross to file the charges. And once they file the charges, then I was going to step in. And I told this person that. So that's why they did what they did, to talk to the supervisor to take all that false information from out of the system where I couldn't find anything.